Khona bengikholelwa kuthando. Khona bengikholelwa kuthando konke lokho kwashabalala. Bebengiqambela amanga, bathi bangithanda, banyamalala ekuphumeni kwelanga. Nalowo kugcina waphuna inhliziyo yami iqhaka ngithandanga. Nawe njengoba usho lawo magama uzohluleka ukuyiphatha izokusinda. Uzongidlulisa ebuhlungweni uzongiphinda. Anginayo amaqondana kudala ngayeka ukumlinda. Phela emaphutheni sengafunda. Ngesikwazi ukuyenza lento angifune nanokuzama. Sogcina sesizondana sikhalisana. Angisakwazi mina ukubekezela sengakhathala. Angisafuni ukuthandwa, angifuni umuntu, angifune kunakho. Sengaba yisilwane nje sinolaka ngathi nonke nizimisele ngokungidla niwoshaka. When it comes to pain, I'm a sucker. I've been alone in the dark, but it's getting darker. Breathing is getting harder. Life is getting tougher. It's how I want to be alone and listening to my own laughter. How I just need this relationship between me and my wrist cutter, my weed, cigarettes, and rolling paper. The more I don't think about life, I think I'm going to be safer. Oh, man. I won't kill myself. These thoughts will sooner or later. Can't find no lover, there's only maters, players, baby makers. I need to be alone, in my own world, my own zone. I need to lose my fucking phone. I need to feel numb, be like a stone. Whatever happens, I need to be away from love and home. I'm broken on my bones, but I got no life inside. It's like everything that happens just slides. I've been used, either I'm a one-night stand or side. When I'm with them, I gotta hide. I'm down with the word love, no lie. Dear heart, I'm breaking up with you, you better stay shut. If you're still capable of beating fuss for some other nigga, then you nuts. You playing games with me, oh shucks. Don't you realize you got no luck? For you, they got no love. For me, they only got lust. Didn't you learn from all those shitty experiences from the past? I saw what you was trying to do last night. You shouldn't jump for anyone, they just telling lies. I've been trying to protect you, I stopped going extra miles. If I don't break up with you, I might just as well die. Oh, it's not you. Wait, it's you, not I. You very stupid, dumb. Maybe just like love, you also blind. Do you even know how being loved back feels like? Never mind. This letter is from me to you. Goodbye.